Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, here's the Lionel 1110 that arrived today. Oiled. As you see, I've oiled the paint. I oiled the paint on the 999. And the 1110 now has a headlight. I took it apart and the bulb was burned out. Of course, it's been in there for 70 years. So it takes a bayonet mount bulb, basically the same as an automotive light bulb. So I went down to a parts store, auto parts store, and picked up a couple of light bulbs that worked absolutely perfectly. So as you can see, take this around. The headlight is on and it is running just absolutely perfectly. $8 from Goodwill. So by tomorrow this paint will have soaked in and I'll wipe it down. For today I'm just going to run them, this one and the 999, just to get them used to running again, get everything broken loose and get all the oxide off the parts. But the Lionel is running exceptionally well. And I haven't done anything to it at all. I replaced the light bulb, oiled it, used some contact cleaner to clean the contacts for the E-unit switch, and that is it. The 999 is working just as well, as you see. I oiled the paint on it. By tomorrow it'll look 100% better. Now this one needed the main contactor, contactor spring, and one brush. Everything else was just lubing and tuning. Basically getting things broken loose. This has been sitting for years, decades in fact. So both of the new engines are running absolutely perfectly. So this one I found on eBay for 10 bucks. This one I found on eBay Goodwill for 8 bucks. Lionel 1110 in really, really decent shape. And like I said, tomorrow this oil will have soaked in. I'll wipe both of these down with a cloth and add them to the collection. Really, really gratifying to pick up decent engines at a decent price. And then, of course, having the fun of repairing them. Now, the Lionel didn't need anything except a light bulb, really. And just lubing and tuning and cleaning and getting it running again. And the 999 needed the contactor spring, and one brush. The thing is, both of them are sitting here running. They're not perfect, they're far from perfect, but they were inexpensive and they're both running absolutely perfectly. One is pulling 21 cars, the Lionel is pulling, I believe it's pulling 18 cars. And like I said, it now has a headlight. It looks nice, has a lot of power, and it's heavy, weighs over 2 pounds. But it is now complete, even down to having its headlight. $8 on eBay Goodwill, and you simply cannot beat that. So it's identical to the 1120, since they both have lights now. This one seems to have a bit more pulling power. And the 999 is running absolutely perfectly. No problems with it of any kind at all. No issues at all. It runs well. It'll look nice. Pulling substantial consist. So you just can't ask for better engines at a better price. And that's why I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just a few minutes you can have these things up and running on the rail. And you can do this on an absolute shoestring. So if you want to run model trains on a budget, this is the way to do it. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video. I'll be running these the rest of the night. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.